want to make from $20 up to $150 every 30 to 60 seconds by getting expensive presents like iPhone or newest smartphones, watches for free? Now this sounds weird, right? Because getting expensive presents and making money at the same time doesn't match, right? Hi, you are on my channel Actor Marketing, where I share valuable content with you. So subscribe my channel and be with me through this whole video, because I'm going to share with you a very easy way of making from $20 up to $150 every 30 to 60 seconds by also getting expensive presents at the same time. Now I want to show you a hard way, and after that I will finally show you the real easy way to do it. Now here you can see people are doing unboxing videos. Those people have first to struggle to grow their new channel, and then they have to make sure they get views, although there are huge amount of competition already there. Not only that, before they get those products sending to them, for the first few months they have to buy expensive products on themselves and then make the videos. And after they have grown the YouTube channel for unboxing videos, then they approach companies to send them those high quality new products which are high on demand in the market, so that they could then make the video. But this would take lots of time to grow the channel, to negotiate with those companies, and then finally also be competing with all those successful YouTube channels. Now I want to introduce you the very easy methods where you don't have to do any upfront cost, where you don't have to grow any YouTube channel, but despite of that you can make sure that companies will be ready to send you their newest products, and you can keep those products for yourself. So here, this is the easy way, and that's on Fiverr. Here you can see there are a huge amount of people doing unboxing videos, and you can see how much they are charging. Okay, let me change it in US dollar. You can see how much each of them are charging. Here you can see $75, $85, $45. That's just for one unboxing video. Now let us see hers. Here you can see 30-second video, unboxing video, just two facts about the product, and $85. This is just insane. And here you can see what they are writing for their profile and what their requirements are, what they are writing about themselves, and which kind of packages they have. And you can just go into those profiles and get introducing videos, and you can also have the opportunity to watch their unboxing videos in some profiles. She is charging for 30 seconds $25. Now don't worry, you don't need expensive video equipment for this method. You can just film the unboxing video with your smartphone. You can just show on how you are unboxing. You can show your face, but it's not required, only if you want to, because the unboxing video is important, and your voice. So go on the website fiverr.com, then see what others are offering for unboxing videos. As I told you, go into all those profiles. Not, you don't need to go into all, just some, and you can then take ideas, but don't copy. Create your profile and start to receive offers. My bonus tip would be that you offer the lowest price, and then when companies come here and they see your low price and your good profile, you can also tell them that you are new, and you can tell them that they can also ask you to change your unboxing video if there is a need. And you can go through the profiles and look what you can just make better. Or uh, if you have something special, like if you have a dog at home, then that you will show the dog during the unboxing video. This would be a twist. I have seen on Fiverr that there is a woman who is also showing up the hands of her toddler, and that's why she asked for a higher price. And after some time, when you have made money, you can buy equipments. Then you can mention those high quality equipments on your profile, so that companies can see that they will get something very professional from your videos. And you can also ask some relatives for the first few orders to make the order from you and give you a good review. So those was extra bonus tips. With this method you can easily make a good solid monthly income, as this is the exact way people are making money. And the special thing is that the companies are ready to send their product anywhere in the world, so you can be located anywhere. You will get the product as a gift, and most of the time those companies don't want to get the unboxed product back, because it would just be more costly for them to get it back to them. So they would love it if you keep it for you and use it. So they are just thankful that they could get the unboxing video. So this is a great way. So I hope you like the method of making money. Let me know in the comment section if you like the video, and smash a like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.